How to recover old WhatsApp account without SIM. Hello guys, this is Atticus back with another tutorial video. In today's video, I'll teach you guys how you can recover your old WhatsApp account without any SIM. So let's get started. First thing you want to do is just open up your WhatsApp. After you open your WhatsApp, go to settings on the bottom right. After you're on settings, scroll down till you find help. After you find help, tap on it. And right there, go to Help Center. Now, after you find Help Center, let it load, and here you will have different topics. Now, choose the topic that most relates to you. You can go to Accounts, you can tap on Accounts again, and there you can see different topics right there. If you don't find the topic that relates to you most, what you need to do is you'll need to go to the Help Center page again and scroll down till you find Need More Help. Now tap on Contact Support, and right here you can create a ticket. You can just uh, talk to them via chat and explain your problem to them, and they will guide you through your account recovery process. So yeah, it's that simple, guys. This is how you get back your WhatsApp account without any SIM. Thanks for watching. That is all for the video.